Gagalaw pa rin to. Pag hindi ako nag-pedal, gagalaw pa din. Kaya talagang pedal talaga.
Automatic naman. Hindi ka magpapit.
Shunga bells. So guys, part 2. Ang bobo ko talaga, promise. Hindi ko siya nahawak. Akala ko kasi matik na, sabi ni ate. Naguluhan kami. Shunga bells. Okay, bye. Guys, after being dumped in Sky Cruiser, napaka-bobo bobo moment ko doon. Jump, wasted time. I'm going to have a quick unboxing. So I'm gonna show you this. It's from Ili Artisan Village here at Baguio. This is Munting Ligaya. So aside from that, meron silang mga restaurants and coffee shop doon na marami kayong ipagta-try. But I got this Blue Tiger's Eye. It is a necklace na pwede ko siyang gawing bracelet din. For only 300. Kailangan mo siyang i-cleanse and everything. Kaso ang dumi niya dito. Look. This one. This is the only one na lang kasi kanina yung talagang drawn ako dito sa Blue Tiger's
Sakto,
Eye.
dapat pasok-pasok na tayo sa church. Para maano yan, makapasok sa church. Tapos bili na rin tayo doon ng mga bracelet.
Sige. Then, I got this. Take what resonates, take as long as you need, and pass it on. Your feelings are valid. Oh, diba? Na-cleanse naman siya ni ate kanina, but I still need to cleanse it.
Sunlight and rhinestones. Dapat bumili ka rin ng stones. Hinihimas yun eh. Tapos yung may gong. Yes, it's her first vacation!
Woo! Hold on, I also
It's
have
her
that.
first vacation!
So have this.
Uy, tabi natin. For luck.
This one. Orange ba to?
Red nga yun, rosy red eh. Nagkamali ako ng bili dito eh.
Yun na yung last time.
Pero mga yun, pag nag-fade yan, nagiging orange na. Beach!
Bye guys, exit. I'm with Sky.
Bye, Sky Ranch! Till next time!
Let's go. Let's go.
Hi guys, we're here in Botanical
Garden.
Let's go! Yes, we love nature. Of course. Guys, I just wanna say that ang ganda nito kasi it's made for PWD or naka-wheelchair. Ayun mo, pwede. May rampa. Yan ang pakita mo.
Yes.
So it's a smart move. Botanical garden. Nice. You know, pag wheels.
Go. Do it. Do it. That's Phoebe. That's flowers. So, ang ganda. No, just video. Sana all.
Princess. Tapos dito yung mga princess.
Sana all.
Ikaw yung princess.
Ano sabi mo?
Dito yung mga princess.
Saan?
We need to find a shade.
It's drizzling, but
Yay!
I'm gonna see a real elephant soon.
Yeah, watch out. Sabi.
Let's go. Oh, yun yung ganda. Oh. Guys, this is so beautiful.
It's chilly weather, but it's nice.
Chilly, chilly.
Chinese lanterns and trees.
Ah! Guys, it's Sunday already, and we just dropped off here at Botanical Garden.
Yeah.
So it's actually raining already. Gosh. I hope it
What?
won't.
Oh, butterfly again. Oh,
Butterfly.
butterfly. It's too tiring.
It's like Mirador Part 2.
I'm sweating. Look at the cafe. Ang ganda dito.
True.
Understand our celebration of the Pentecost Sunday. The Acts of the Apostles. They were filled with the Holy Spirit and began to speak in different tongues as the Spirit
Pasok ko na sa
enabled
church
them
para sa necklace.
to.
Nag-burst yan, nag-burst. Ay, baka ba sila dito? Last. Isa lang ba?
Magaan.
Bunny! Cute.
Gaganon din.
Ah, hindi siya ba?
Ay, akala ko malambot ko kung saan itong malambot.
Ay, nasap-sap. Ba't natin nila nilalagyan ng ban? Nilalagyan nila ng ganyan. Go. Ah, ganyan lang. Okay. Ikaw.
Ayoko.
Akala ko iniikot.
And the food trip continues!
Oo.
Yung Penoy, kung tawag ako ng Penoy.
Mga Madam Beautiful.
And circles, pictures, circles. Morning at Burnham Park.
Dito yung sikat sa FB, yung mermaid na pagod. Dito yun eh.
Nasa gilid na. Go. Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry fields forever. Cheers. Let me take you down.
Masarap siya. Nag-complement yung ube tsaka cheese. Tsaka strawberry. Yay! Ube and strawberry
Scramble.
scramble. So long. Bye!
Pero ano na tayo dito naman? Kahit maaga. Pero
tayo. It's raining, raining. It's raining.
tayo ka ulit. Lasa. Kasi first time ulit.